Hey guys, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. A quick tip for you here today. With all the moisture and stuff and the rain and everything going on, my bandsaw table had a lot of rust on it. Well, we want to clean that off, and I want to show you real quickly how to do that. All we need is a can of WD-40, a cloth of some sort, and I would prefer to have steel wool, but since, like, if you're like me, in my shop, I can't find anything when I need it, so I can't find any steel wool, but that's okay. A green scrubby pad will do just fine. So you can see here we've got a pretty serious coating of rust on here. We want to get that off right away.